Looking for a commercial fridge but not sure which one's right for your business?
Choosing the wrong fridge can cost you in space, efficiency, and power bills.
A two-door glass fridge is the perfect solution for cafes, restaurants, hotels, and retail stores.
With separate compartments, generous capacity, and a tough commercial build, it keeps your food and drinks organized while maintaining consistent temperatures, even during busy service.
At Jackson Rhodes Refrigeration, we have premium two-door glass fridges for sale right here in Perth, energy efficient, durable, and built for 24/7 commercial use.
Available with fast delivery and professional installation.
Visit jacksonrhodes.com.au today and find the right fridge for your business.